Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Emory is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools you can add to your everyday carry, offering a unique blend of functionality and portability that makes it indispensable for a wide range of tasks, from quick fixes around the house to more intricate projects requiring precision and reliability. Its innovative design and robust construction ensure that it can handle whatever you throw at it, making it a worthy investment for anyone who values preparedness and efficiency in their daily lives. Number 5. TsMADDTs 12 PCS Black Nail Files and Buffers. Achieve a salon-quality manicure at home with this professional tool kit. It includes everything you need for perfect nail care. These tools feature a 100-180 grit surface, ideal for shaping and smoothing your nails. Get the perfect finish every time. Crafted for durability, these nail files and buffers effectively shape and polish your nails. They are designed for long-lasting performance. The rectangular design offers a comfortable grip for precise nail art and care. It makes achieving detailed looks effortless. This set comes with 12 pieces in a sleek black color, ensuring you always have the right tool on hand. It's a complete solution for your nail care routine. Whether you have natural or artificial nails, these tools are suitable for all types. They provide gentle yet effective care for beautiful results. What we like. This kit offers a professional manicure experience with its dual grit surfaces. It provides a generous 12 pieces for all your nail filing needs. If you're looking for a comprehensive set for regular nail maintenance, this is a great choice. What people say. The filers and buffers work great. The file is sturdy, strong, and sharp. The buffers work just as normal. I'm glad they are different colors because I do my own and my mom's nails and I can assign certain colors to her and myself so we don't mix. The buffer blocks are sturdy, easy to hold, and smooth the nail surface without feeling too harsh. The 100-180 grit files strike a nice balance, strong enough to shape the nail quickly but gentle enough for regular at-home use. Everything feels well made, and having multiple pieces in the set means I can keep a few in different places or replace them as needed. This set works beautifully on both natural nails and acrylics. The files have just the right amount of grit without being harsh, and the buffers smooth everything out with very little effort. They feel durable in the hand and don't bend or crumble like most budget files. Number 4. Makartt Professional Nail Files. Introducing Makartt's professional nail files, designed for precision and performance. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. These double-sided boards feature a 100-180 grit, perfect for shaping and smoothing natural nails, acrylics, and gel extensions. The distinctive zebra design ensures efficient filing, making your manicure process quicker and more effective. Easily remove acrylics and extension gels with these coarse nail files. They are essential for any nail technician's toolkit. Experience the quality of a professional salon with this 10-piece set. They are perfect for both personal and professional use. Elevate your nail care routine with these versatile tools. They are a must-have addition to your manicure kit. What we like. These feature a distinctive zebra design and are dual-sided for versatility. They are specifically designed for removing acrylics and extension gels. If you frequently work with artificial nails or extensions, these are ideal for efficient removal. What people say. I love the ergonomic design and sturdy construction of these files. These are wonderful quality files that last a long time. They are double-sided with a very fine grit on one side, and a medium grit on the other. I love the round edge on the one side. It's really helpful with filing at tough angles. Number 3. 36-in-1 Professional Pedicure Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 36-in-1 pedicure kit, designed for ultimate foot care. Achieve salon-quality results right in your own home. This kit includes professional-grade tools to tackle all your foot care needs. From smoothing rough skin to removing calluses, it has you covered. Easily remove dead and dry skin with our effective foot rasps. Reveal softer, smoother skin with minimal effort. Whether you're pampering yourself at home or providing services in a salon, this kit is your perfect companion. It offers versatility and convenience. Invest in your foot health and beauty with this all-in-one solution. Enjoy healthier, more beautiful feet with regular use. What we like. This is an extensive 36-in-1 kit focused entirely on foot care. It's designed to effectively remove dead skin and calluses. If you're seeking a complete solution for professional-level foot pampering at home or in a salon, this comprehensive set is perfect. What people say. The Emory has a sleek, modern design that fits perfectly in my kitchen. I love the multiple heat settings on the Emory, it makes cooking so much easier. The Emory is incredibly easy to clean, which is a huge plus for me. Number 2. UGP Campus Apparel NCAA Athletic Arch Hoodie. Get ready to cheer on your favorite team with this officially licensed NCAA hoodie. Perfect for game days or everyday wear, it's a must-have for any fan. Crafted with high-quality materials, this hoodie offers exceptional comfort and durability. You'll stay warm and cozy whether you're on campus or out and about. Featuring the iconic athletic arch design in your university's true team colors, this apparel proudly displays your school spirit. It's the perfect way to represent your alma mater. This is genuine NCAA merchandise, ensuring you're getting authentic gear. Show your support with a product that meets official standards. Don't miss out on this essential piece of fan apparel. It's the ideal choice for students, alumni, and sports enthusiasts alike. What we like. This is an officially licensed NCAA product featuring your university's team colors. It boasts a classic athletic arch design. If you are a proud student, alumni, or fan looking to represent your university in comfort and style, this hoodie is a must-have. What people say. The product works well and has a good design. The product has a useful feature that makes it easy to use. The product is well made and durable. Number 1. Desert Cactus Emory University Stickers. Experience vibrant colors and lasting quality with our professionally printed vinyl stickers. They are designed to stand out and adhere smoothly to any clean surface. These decals offer endless possibilities for personalization. Decorate your laptop, car, water bottle, or any other hard surface with ease. Proudly manufactured in the United States of America. Each sticker is packaged with care in eco-friendly materials. We are a Chicago-based company and a certified LGBT business enterprise. We proudly support numerous organizations through licensing agreements. Rest assured, this is an officially licensed product. The design has been approved, and royalties are paid for the use of these marks. What we like. These stickers are made from high-quality outdoor-grade vinyl with vibrant colors. They are proudly manufactured in the United States. If you want durable, eye-catching decals for your laptop, car, or water bottle that showcase your Emory pride, these are an excellent option. What people say. The product has a sleek and modern design that fits well with any decor. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy to operate, even for beginners. The battery life is impressive, lasting for several days on a single charge. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.